In this video, I want to show you yet another truck driver that has decided they are more important and they don't need to wait in this traffic. They need to just get to this turn lane and carry on. And so they're not only misusing the two-way left turn lane here, they're cutting into the oncoming traffic's left turn lane here to proceed into their left turn. So this is the issue with not policing yourself, right? So all it takes is two drivers to get to the same intersection and they're both impatient for a collision to take place. Let's say I was coming into this turn lane here and I was one of those drivers that was in a rush. I'm not signaling, I'm not scanning my environment, and I just aim to come into this left turn lane, and this person is rushing in to get into their left turn lane. It's easy to have a collision. So you have to think, I mean, let's face it, this driver here is probably not watching YouTube videos or any other videos to be on the lookout or to try to learn from these videos. But you as a defensive driver need to be on the lookout for these type of drivers. So when students ask, should I be shoulder checking before I come into this lane here? The answer is yes. Even though the lane just starts, there can be someone in your blind spot that is not doing the right thing. They're cutting the center divide line, or they're on the wrong side of the road trying to cut into this lane. So we always have to be on the lookout if we're these drivers here that we're signaling and we're shoulder checking into our blind spot. We're checking our side mirror to see who's approaching before we do a maneuver.